Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create multiple highlights in a single click on Instagram. For example, I'll show you on my Instagram. Uh, I'll just click on my profile and then click on this three dots and then click on archive option. And here I have few stories what I have posted in the past, and now I want to keep them as highlights on my profile. So in order to keep a single story as highlight, I need to click on this option and click on add to highlights, then it gets added. But I want all these stories, previous stories, as highlights in a single click. We can do that. You need to click on these three dots at top right and click on create highlight and select what all previous stories you want as highlights and click on next and click on done. You can write something, see here. So in this way we can create uh, one or more stories, previous stories of Instagram in a single click as a single highlight. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.